And then your poma say woman a chiro. Some may chill or say Konakofana Fako fufu. And your poma sa. Would you penny and no crap man to me and all? And what dear now will be. I would dear Wajapa into all shy. See and chill. Nakofa poma na fako. Pomana say, a quack dinner not dear de ho. And not dear de no, who bet in a genenim. Was champagne for ya corner why you woo, that it's yare. And I would do a Japadi our fako could this one. Oh, shy, say, yeah, no, Konakofa.
Offer, Mr. My name 2 offers. Puma ya all come once in. Confrontation Puma. And your Puma be a tree baby, I can. Please. I ya Puma or mine now, you soon sim. A boy home by. I say, I could none of you didn't know. Eh? A man for Mufria, mamma, so about more pesa Puma. Omni now, do more a chat, omni no. If you not your was or a precope, or found Puma. Quite.
Yeah, right. Please, it's all superstition.
Superstition.
It's fiction. Lies.
What's intro?
You've been lied to. You've been brainwashed to listen to these stories, and then you guys believe it. It's all lies. Did you see the people who died? It's the stories you were told, and that's it. But please, come on. Is this a film? Are we doing a movie? Yes, this is real life. Okay? And talk about magical days and people dying is all crap. Just show me where it is. And I'll go and get it. If it means beating up the guy, I think I'm strong enough to fight and beat him and take it. If it's a matter of paying... Have you seen me fight before? If I also have to pay... Please don't make mockery of me. You can beat me.
My ball flat.
Excuse, let me get back. Don't distract me, please. I'm saying if I have to pay money and bribe the guy to give me the stuff, I can also do it. It's as simple as that. Money buys anything and everything.
Sika nto OKONFO ANOKYE POMA.
Sika to bibia.
Sika nto.
E to bibia.
OKONFO ANOKYE POMA ne de nya de sika timi to. Ani tumi. Eye tumi akasa. Ani ti wo adu wo sika sa. OKONFO ANOKYE tumi. Poma na akoka ho asem sa no.
Dufie, biko ye mo wase. Benim di enti asabon kuma. Wo ye nsamanse. Na wo di OKONFO ANOKYE POMA yi e pata. Oh, abla wa wunim se wankasa wo no mofra bremu wa saka.
Queen, not queen. Is the stuff I'm here for. Let's work a plan and get it. Queen, yeah, fine.
You don't look okay. Is everything alright?
My wife, I'm not okay.
What is it? Talk to me.
Sweetheart, if you have the eyes that I have, you will see the danger that I foresee. Everything is not fine. Everything is not fine.
I still don't understand what you're talking about. Whatever it is, I'm your wife. Please talk to me.
I'm just worried about the presence of these strangers in this kingdom. Yes.
My king. Oh, come on. Is that the reason why you're all worked up? Because of those strangers?
Exactly.
Oh, come on, please. We have dealt with far more, more important and dangerous people as compared to this one. So I don't see why you are so worried about them.
So do you mean to say you have a solution to my problem?
They are not a problem at all. Leave them to me. I'm going to handle them.
How are you going to do that?
I have a solution to you.
I see.
Do not worry your head about those people. Leave them to me. I will handle them. Okay? First, I'm going to investigate to find out why they are in this town. After that, then we take the next step. But by the time I am done with plan A, before I get to plan C, you will believe that I am the wife of a king. My king.
Wow.
I love it when you laugh like that.
Sweetheart.
Yes, sir.
I never knew that I had a brilliant and a smart wife. Oh my God. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
My problems are solved now.
I'm telling you.
That's why I love you.
Oh, darling.
You guys have a meter here. Have a meter. But if you have a meter, you should bring light.
Light off.
Mama home, auntie.
Hello.
Asumdwe nka fidua ni mu ni panyina.
Oh, I can't also. We'll be offering by a beer.
Me pa cho awie de se mu hu me a enye bon. O therefore ene na ire. E na asoma me se nka memra mo ho kakra. Me pa cho o se nka o pesa o ho na mo ba fidua mu ha no. Oni mu hia. E wa ahemfie ne mo kasa kakra.
O therefore na asoma.
Me pa cho.
Sebra.
Me pa cho.
Okay. For what? Why are we going there? Why should we go there? I've been here all this while. Does he feed me? Is he feeding me? Is he giving me food to eat? Did he invite me here? I'm here on my own.
Message now.
Yes, but who cares? Why should I go there? I'm not his guest. This is his business. What? I said we are not going.
It's a message from your chief.
And so what?
No, same now can say.
It is not necessary. Why should he send for us or for me? And here, it's not his business. If I'm home, for what? I won't go. Oh.
We won't go.
We won't go.
Ene mpa cho mesre kan kakra.
Why should I go there? I'm home.
Nana suma for and anamo abafia say o metre say nana se yembra wo try ne se yamba chief.
So do I look like somebody who respects the chief? I'm here for a purpose.
I
won't go anywhere. I won't go.
Why don't go to the animal? I'm quite aware. Some go to it. Oh, no crime will get you out. Oh, my boy your home by. See a pepper na nephew on. I feel on. He says, "So be a woman with 3 more person with the and tea or more friend and toss a friend." And can you die?
So you want me to believe all of that? You want me to put this in my system? For what? Why do I need this? This is what I was talking about, the superstition bit of your life.
Super what?
What is all this? I don't believe in this traditional fetish things.
Me pedioka and it's traditional.
I'm a modern man. Okay?
Listen, hear me. Uti. Then nananum abre. So great grandparents. This is what they do for protection. When yes,
Protection against what?
Against every adrenphimia they will do against us.
There is no adrenphine coming my way. So what are you saying? I don't see it. Yes.
No papa will cry. And one yellow.
Yes. What repara and what you now your parasha when you dry the boy by in a normal year.
If you need medicine, let's go to the pharmacy.
Pharmacy for protection?
Yes.
You get.
I don't need protection anyway. It's just to go and take the thing.
And
that's why I'm here. But I cannot drink this thing. I mean, do you want to make me sick?
It's nothing.
What do you mean it's nothing? Did you see the things that he put in there? Did you see the things?
Protection.
From what?
From evil.
From evil what?
Okay, he's drinking. He's safe. We all take a sip.
Yes, but
it's okay.
Yeah, that's what you will say. Today, nothing is happening. It's not. Maybe it's not instant, but tomorrow, next week, 2 weeks, something will happen to you, and you will have to go and see a doctor.
Listen, this one I did it myself.
And so,
you know, I buying them to see and I'm messing up.
And that's the content.
Yes,
that's what's in there.
Yes,
and you want me to drink it? Look, they do different you, different me. Your body is different. My body is different.
Elephant you, elephant me.
So if I drink. If you drink, nothing will happen to you. If I drink, it's possible I could get some rashes on my skin, or my hair will start to fall off, or my mouth will develop some sores. I mean, hey, why should I? But I'm not sick. Why should I drink it? Okay, uncle, I'll drink. I'll drink.
I'll drink. It's safe. If it's not safe, I'll drink. Huh?
Your body is different from my body.
What the bear? Oh.
So I have to smell it first.
It's nice. Drink. It's okay. It's okay. Me, I smell better than this. Drink. Right?
What is all this? I'm drinking it.
Hi! You pour my medicine away. You who name Brian answer me here drawing. No five baby for not here. Baby your paper and one woman to the go.
But it how can you yeah.
Try close your doors and walk while they know. Huh?
I drank it.
It's good. See, we are drinking. Strong, right? It's the more strong it is.
So when you drink more, you get more protection or what?
More protection. No, you drink more, you can vanish.
You can vanish.
Yeah, we won't walk, we'll vanish and go to this. So drink more.
No. I mean, I'll walk. You vanish. I'll meet you there.
Yeah, ready. So come, let's get ready.
Oh, okay. This is where we change.
I invited you guys here so that we could have fun. Eat and eat well. Okay? Mr. Man, are you okay? Are you okay?
I know what we mean.
Oh, I see. Yeah, the Kumo had it. So, what will Baha? A Jennifer. Yamanika, Senebeya, or Qua, or the South of Beam. Tisimoba, Munidi, Mobefie. Yes, Mobefie. And to be any Munidi. Why? Sweethearts. Excuse me. Ask that you want to bring the drinks, okay? Yeah.
Ejewa. Ejewa, go into the fridge. I have some drinks there. Check the left-hand side of the fridge. About 7 bottles. Very chilled. Bring it and come and serve our guests.
Are you okay?
If you are here.
Please, we okay? Oh, what's enough? Mr.
Yes, Rachel.
No, not you. Him. Mr. Mr. Bediako, can I have a short discussion with you?
Well, I'm still in the middle of eating. I'm not done yet.
Well, actually, we are not going to keep long. So, I believe so. Waiting at me, I'm going to tell Tony Asaba.
You're okay.
Joel, what's keeping you so long? You must be enjoying my meal. It's very nice. Finish what you have here. For now. Yeah.
Gentlemen, sit down. Sit. Feel comfortable, sit.
Well, actually, I think it's very rude that we were on the dining table with people and you pulled me out.
Don't worry, just sit down. Sit down. Gentlemen, I know the reason why you are here. And I believe it's because of the OKONFO ANOKYE POMA.
correct? That's it. You're absolutely correct, as a matter of fact. I am here for that. How did you know?
Yes, I know. Because that is the symbol of authority of this land. And whoever possesses it must be the king. Yes.
Okay.
And there's no way I am going to give this Puma out to anyone.
So you confirm that you actually have the staff with you?
Yes, I do have it. Yes.
But that's where you got it wrong. Because I need the staff. I have an inheritance that I need to get. And I won't have access to it until I can present the staff. So tell you what, I can even present it. Give me the staff. I can present it and then possibly give it back to you because I really don't need it. I'm not interested in your kingdom or your chieftaincy. I just want the staff for a purpose. Once I get my inheritance, I can hand it over to you. I really don't care.
Gentlemen, like I said, I am not giving you the Okonfo Anokye Poma. Yes, like I said, if I'm to give you the Okonfo Anokye Poma, meaning I am going to dethrone myself, which I wouldn't do that. Yes. You know what? Why don't we strike it this way? Why don't I give you 1,000 acres of land? Okay? So that I will live a peaceful life. Yes.
I also want to live a peaceful life. And I can get that peaceful life by enjoying my inheritance, of which I need the staff. But tell you what, do you know how much I'm worth? Do you know how much inheritance I have that is waiting for me to collect? No amount of land or money that you can give me would equate to what awaits me. Okay? So I'm not interested. I just want the staff.
So gentlemen, it's better you accept my offer. Because I am not giving this Puma out to anyone. I can say.
So on the other hand, how much can I give you for the staff?
Are you trying to bribe me?
Well, absolutely.
I see.
What goes around comes around.
And you know that can never happen. Because you can never bribe me with anything. Yes. Since you rejected my offer, okay, right. I want you to know that I am the king of this land. There's nothing I can do. Thank you.
It's very interesting to know. Well, Mr. Chief, my name is Bediako, and that staff belongs to me. It's rightfully mine. I'm here to get it, and I will get it. Thank you. I am totally drained. All night, just running to the toilet and back to the room. I told you guys, I said I shouldn't drink. I didn't want to drink the concoction. You just insisted that I drink it now. I feel so terrible. I've been going to the toilet between midnight and dawn. Oh my God. Even presently, I still feel like throwing up. I feel like I have typhoid or something. Stomach upset.
Bediako.
What do you mean, sir? What does that mean? How come I didn't see you in the toilet or on the road to the toilet? I've been up and down about 5 hours. I didn't see you there. And what do you mean it's all of us? And even you, I didn't see you either.
Well, where the home? Because the other use the house toilet. Uba busha, obo them and more. Twap pretty winning. Semika say.
So, the way you know a true year, I can be seen yet.
We didn't drink this thing before we go. Like by this time, all of us kapush.
Really?
Yes.
So the chief and his wife actually poisoned us?
You have eyes, but you can't see. I told you before we left. No. Man can't draw. Man can't. Really?
Oh, until I buy me two for say. Found hope on a nerd. Now one church will crew. Sans one of the crew in baby. Oh, buy over more batiso. So, more batisua. I'm well. Hence, I'm from our way. A decuckoo far dear. Flitter. And I bought at Tianso. That they can crack and a journal near Sono. It is our banana party. Young Faku Nepo, and then Kakra. The widow who born a nerdua. A babua.
Well, that's fine. Okay, cool. So now, what's the next step? At least now we have confirmed, say, the staff is there. You know, the chief confirmed that it's with him. So what's the plan? I mean, he intends to keep it, but I want to get it. He even took me to the side trying to bribe me. Yeah. That he wants to keep the staff. So, what is it? Sisia Yehu said. A wohono. The bayade.
Yes, you have a plan. Man, they said me for you.
Let's do the plan later on. I beg.
Bedi akwan, mo friend mama, o se mbo ne koko.
Bedi akwan.
Woba, bedi akwan. Okwan.
Okwa abontin.
Na mo so mo timi ya mistake bi papa. Okwa abontin ko pedan.
Baby, you had also kotum pasa wa bontin. Na me bit
O fa den ne wo so man no kwan man kotum pasa wa abontin. Mo amuni tia buta esi eni so e wo se e bo no ba. Mo agya ne ma okonante na.
Edu na ya bi do o ya koda. Wo to ba se tina to dem so money bi.
Fa wo so ka kire no. Ma mo so a mo ye mistake bi kura dodo. Me nambush me ban na sisim so no. Bibi nkoye ase bedi akoho bibi nkoye mame.
Adade na be no.
De na be no so asem obi sa me. Wo mo ni tua de e wo se yeye. Wo se e bo akore igba. Na fe mo jan mo ne nam sa. O fan.
Abontin mo.
Na bedi akwa no ya akwara.
Uti me ye mistake grad. Mo jan me ko hwe.
Well, no one table.
Nice. Oh yeah. This is such a beautiful view. Perhaps this is the only thing I really like about this village. Quite awesome.
Yasau. That's what Papa told. Oh, you ma.
What's that? What pedia wa? What is I never money?
What you onim nana. Let's or your work. Me no.
Why your into the when I was in Kauteno, now then it's not say. Now we can't some to the team. About me, you wouldn't penny of your own.
I make a book to guess. That's right.
We drink one on what? We three and quite anyone. And can remember what one and I'm one see do. That's all your who are. And like I said, then I'm money. What did you mention? Did they make a job? And I'm not doing what? And I'm a PR. I'm a dad. I'm not trying to understand what you want.
Yes, Nana.
You want him sure him? What did I? I'm sure him. Hey, and then I dear son, what eh? And then I'm going to dear son, and then I dear a son. I made them a cop. The says she be.
Come, oh, quite
falling down.
Who was that? Who was that? No, baby, Sammy. You come my trust, a man, auntie, men, auntie, Habasa. Eh? And then I don't need to see Mr. Be betting me, see. And I'm a church, and I'm a better one. Come on, go. What one and anum? Sing, uncle. I came from here. Oh, you're far.
Dear Ben, I'm with you. Super Ben, I'm with you. Huh? A pop and I'm with you. I'm one. Mupes me to more than this.
Double me, they meet her, may dream of her. I don't want to be a gentleman, and once. And not confrontation for me. Mini that.
Sana Walker. Double, come to Manicas. No, not to Manicas. What are you to ask him? Militia Casa.
I had double every day, maybe I could buy say. Many as a poor command, the back. The poor command or two quay. You wouldn't them here so. Now, Japade or quite paying what Jan Promo. And I just what did the bar say? Confrontation Anoke Poma. Me kwa na me kata Japade na kwa kawana poma no so e na wo se. No.
I don't know, I said something on cancer.
As
a more kind of me do how many what if you had a yin and a pop? Say, send Saka the ocean. We sit there, you will do the what's up with what?
Me, na me the abrosa there. You may not do me the abrosa me the kwa.
I saw it, they don't catch them. Let's just say the mechanic of crew. Double. Not just the mechanic of crew of double. Matrafia. Abomeme hopo. Yeah. What was it to my dear soul? Now, what do my bediaco? Eh, bediaco. Bediaco, no, I'm Fenimel. Bediaco, Uniha. What did they see? Who perceive you? Double. Sasana, who tell me my catch and say bediaco, if you had the air, and you also win the PM. Sassy. Nana, chepepe, ati, na poi. Devie, mume.
Casa me di cão. Casa crante, ainda ba for.
I am a Soya, the goddess of the river and the protector of this land. Edu!
Nanay.
Se say a con and your cubio. A yananum con. Yes, me fa bedia comra. No, nananum me bompunim.
Bediako. Nana, where the anchor be for me? Because Bediako, I own Nimashe. Why? Yes, that's one of the good spirits we have on this land. Eh? So before I go, who be coming? I'm going. Where am I going? I'm going anywhere. I'm not going. Make call. I mean, what is all this? What do you even want from me? I only came here to get my puma, and now if you want, just give it to me, and I get out of here. I'm tired of all this spirit. No. Better away. No, what? This way, I'm a family.
You've been fortified. You've been strengthened for the battle ahead. The gods are with you. But before you go, I need to consult the spirit of OKONFO ANOKYE. This is the staff of justice from OKONFO ANOKYE himself. With this staff, you can defeat your enemy. You can heal all sicknesses. Take it. Now go. Go! Go!
I am back! Reborn! Ready for the battle! I will retrieve OKONFO ANOKYE staff. I have been empowered, strengthened, physically and spiritually. I am back. Edu.
Yako asemaba.
Asembe.
Yako. Inimo ko ye no. Namizu mi ni fie. Sa nana dia dede. Obefia. Wa be from ma me ne o fani. Obi no mu hu ade. My ye dia metumi ni na. Me ha ni ndro me wa metimi dia sayo. My ya o mani mie.
Omu we.
Omu dem o.
Yes, bring them. Count.
Chefom. On va somu à.
Hey! Sir!
Okonfo Poma. Any mama who you baby ako. Who go ahead? Baby ako come who say my name ya.
Chame.
Oh wait.
Mewa. Chafo. Mewa. Chame.
One.
Nananum! Tumemu! Uncle!
Bidiako!
Who me?
Hey! Come on.
Mommy! And in tit!
You. We don't go now, but no, my own woman. Mine, Edu. Mama.
Uncle. Mommy. Edu. Who tell me? Mekwaba. Yeah. Mekwaba. I'm going to consult the gods. Mekwaba, Cecilia.
Opia, tu viens, Opia, ou bon dans le moment pour son. Et dia, là les bois fous. Elle a un nom à funny.
Tu me.
Mas on a dit. Who be bien correct? Hey. Nana no mase. O fa so na die. Me me be a me. Whenever. And ya kan send me down. Ya na yan kwa isi a why cause buko ya kuma de ma jepa, kuma de me. Ade me. Pomo de na. Hey, fesu no. We need to talk about. Did you come here? Yeah. Obi omo na no mabusu etia. Hey. Na ni bo fu obetie. Wose debe superstition. Se die. E dey na no mafa. Hey.
Edi asem
Nana.
Assemble.
Nana me say. I don't make us come and say the nyai. Papa be jadi se be dia kwakwa gitumi ya be kromo ha. Papa, and no more dijano ehu ye. Papa,
Oh no, be dia.
be dia kwakwa gitumi ya be kromo ha. Be dia ko esa ya re. Papa, ube jadi se o ma bubu mo bufu nyina and be dia ko amomu nyina sori enant. And the kromo afu nyina no, papa, o ma gichi e di be dia ko chi. Aso no ne oye ohini wo kromo. Papa, you know the say na mere. Ai.
Nana, they who cry and say, yes, so onyani ofu.
Onyani nipa. Ono be dia ko.
Hey, Papa, what me we dey do? Papa, ye din.
Yes.
Hey,
Papa to you.
bremu.
Also be twin na me na mo twetwe ko. Sisi a me no kase. Me baby a onam tsie. Ti o se me to ano. Nam ko hwe no me odu mu no. Na yo ni. Ni se ko fa ko not poma. Okay, na odi be kam to me ho.
Okay.
Na me di ko sie ni nam di so gunim.
Yo nana.
Se ni wase to me a. Akam. Me pen wase. Di confrontation poma na breme.
Sweetheart, come on, problem.
Ya wa na research. No ba me say yes one.
What the one is saying now?
Ah, no be dia.
Nana.
E mai dia o sane no. What? So di mu papa.
So the move, Papa, me don't make me here.
This what? Did. What me out here? Nemu tu o did.
Sweetheart, I'm relieved now. I told you, say no mommy papa betina you know. And you be no man get it. Na be dia ko die. Be dia ko. Sweetheart, and young one was say be do china be say be dia ko e da bora so.
And one na me show. Baby, and one na me show. That's what I'm waiting for to hear. Now me, I can't stand it. Just imagine me, a commoner as you losing your throne, me a commoner in this village. Baby,
don't even mention that.
Over my dead body.
Abba.
Hey.
My God.
It's here. But I am from Pablo and Tarnish.
Sure.
Of course.
knew you would be around here somewhere.
Whoa! Unni! When I saw Baba to confront Anoche Poma. Huh? Sapumawi. Over my dead body. Akwa na odi awati. Na hu koto ni awose aba. Na se wonim na pese hu ade kokko nso ame na na due dede. O pese hu ade kokko a meti ahan da mama ha dia kire. What?
Dear Dede, or whatever you call yourself, I am Beriako, and that staff is rightfully mine.
What's it day?
I am ready, physically, spiritually, ready to retrieve my staff.
OKONFO Anoche Poma no. Pomari.
I advise you, hand it over peacefully, or you die today.
Mimeu.
I told you, hand it over, or you take your last breath today.
Yeah. Show your face. I know you're here somewhere. Who are you afraid of me? Usrana! Sa. Yeah.
I can sense you here. I feel you here. Boy, you smell, and you cannot hide. Show your face.
Show your face!
There you are. I knew you were here.
Whoa! Oba aso bejijimo. Huh? Oba aso paso temeni yeso.
You have been wicked. Fabre woman.
Oba.
For staff mommy.
Sapumawi. Eye mene mebusuafo ye dia. Wote. Mene mebusuafo ye dia. Na ansa na wo. Onsa beka no. Na wa wo.
You will die. I don't want to kill you. You will die.
Open swa. Eni ebeje.
Finally, the battle is over. OKONFO Anokye's staff has returned to this land. Peace shall reign, and there will be peace forever.